Imagine the familiar rustle of sugarcane swaying in the breeze, a sound so evocative of sweet promise, being entirely absent from our world's soundscape. This is the intriguing reality of a world where sugar, as we know it, remained undiscovered. The very fabric of our history, woven with threads of trade routes and colonial conquests fueled by the insatiable demand for sugar, would be drastically different. Sugarcane, a native of New Guinea, embarked on its fascinating journey across the globe, reaching India and eventually captivating the palates of ancient civilizations. Its allure, however, came at a steep price. The rise of sugar as a global commodity fueled a darker side of human history. The transatlantic slave trade, a horrific chapter in our collective past, was intrinsically linked to the insatiable demand for sugar in European markets. Millions of Africans were forcibly uprooted from their homelands, subjected to unimaginable brutality, and condemned to a life of servitude on sugarcane plantations. Imagine a world where sugar never existed. The very roots of global trade would have charted a different course. The ships that once traversed the oceans laden with sugarcane, their holds echoing with the bitterness of exploitation, might have carried different cargo. Spices, with their allure of the exotic East, might have retained their dominance in the global marketplace. The absence of sugar plantations would have reshaped entire landscapes. The Caribbean islands, forever marked by the legacy of sugarcane cultivation, might have retained their pristine beauty. The echoes of colonial ambition, so intertwined with the pursuit of sugar riches, might have faded into whispers. The quest for gold and other precious metals might have remained the primary driving force behind exploration and conquest. The world, shaped by different desires, might have witnessed the rise and fall of empires fueled by different ambitions. The very notion of globalization, so intricately linked to the interconnectedness fostered by trade, might have taken a different form. Imagine a world where the concept of dessert, as we know it, remained unexplored. Without sugar's transformative powers, our culinary landscape would be a starkly different terrain. The tantalizing sweetness of cakes, candies, and confections, a cornerstone of our celebrations and indulgences, would be replaced by a subtler repertoire of flavors. Honey, nature's golden nectar, would likely reign supreme as the sweetener of choice. Its distinct floral notes would infuse our dishes and beverages, lending a unique character to our culinary creations. Fruits, in their natural sweetness, would take center stage, their flavors celebrated in their purest form. Dates, figs, and other naturally sweet fruits would find new prominence in our kitchens. Their concentrated sweetness, a gift of the sun, would be harnessed to create delectable treats and beverages. Recipes would be passed down through generations, each iteration a testament to the ingenuity of cooks adapting to a world without refined sugar. Imagine a world where the quest for sweetness took a different turn. Nature's bounty would offer a fascinating array of alternatives to sugar's dominance. Honey, with its ancient heritage and esteemed place in many cultures, would likely rise as the primary sweetener. Its production, rich in tradition and dependent on the delicate balance of nature, would become a crucial industry. Maple syrup, drawn from the core of maple trees, would bring its unique caramel-like sweetness to our culinary delights. Its production, deeply intertwined with the rhythms of nature, would connect us to the changing seasons. Agave nectar, sourced from the heart of the agave plant, would offer its own unique flavor, adding an exotic touch to our dishes. Fruits, with their endless variety, would provide a kaleidoscope of natural sweetness. Their juices, concentrated and bursting with flavor, would be transformed into syrups and preserves. The art of drying fruits, preserving their sweetness for enjoyment throughout the year, would become a cherished culinary tradition. Imagine a world where sugar never existed. How would our health be different? Let's explore. The diseases that dominate our modern societies, often tied to our sugar consumption, might have a completely different narrative. Obesity, a widespread issue in our sugar-filled world, could be a rare phenomenon. Diabetes, often linked to poor diet and lifestyle, might be far less common. Our bodies, adapted to a diet lower in simple sugars, might show greater resilience and a natural ability to regulate blood sugar levels. Dental health, often compromised by sugar's effects, might be remarkably strong and resilient. The concept of food addiction, a growing concern today, might be entirely foreign. Our relationship with food, free from sugar's addictive grip, might be one of balance and mindfulness. our taste buds, attuned to the natural sweetness of whole foods, might find greater joy in their simple goodness.